Who's that?
It's Angel.
She smells the wild again, huh?
Uh-huh.
She's ready to eat everything. Right.
Now whatever she wants.
Right.
She's sleeping.
Oh, that's a cute dog. Guess what time it is? Got my snake boots. Fixing to lace those up. The cowboy hat. All American. All ready.
Yep. He's got his boots on for snakes.
Yep.
Snake boots.
How's the bath feel?
The bath? Good. She's very good with the bath.
Yeah. I'm gonna be so pretty.
She's a good girl.
She's pretty calm.
Yeah, very calm.
So right now I'm taking before videos of what everything looks like, and I'll probably go back, clean this stuff out, organize them, you know what I mean, and see how everything looks after today. There's a lot of shit in this one. I haven't tried to clean out this one yet. That porch looks a lot better.
A lot better.
Lot better.
A lot better.
Yep. Oh man, hot as balls. Look at all that dark part. That's all sweat. That's disgusting, right? I think I found some snake eggs. So I'm gonna put them in here. I had dragged something out, and they're kind of like in a line. And one cracked open, and I don't know, I'm guessing snake eggs, but we'll see. That little thing. Something. Oh no, I'm gonna get some of them. This one that cracked open, you can see that little, there's blood and stuff. I don't know. Probably not snake eggs. Maybe lizard eggs. Some chicken eggs. I don't know. I found two really good looking ones, and then the other one looked like there was a crack. Damn. Excuse me. Raining hard.
But watch the sound of the chicken.
Well, you know what?
No more work today. Huh?
What you do?
I said no more work today.
Yeah, right. Rick at least still have stuff to do.
Got
So.
rained out. Work got rained out.
Yeah.
No, it didn't.
Shit, I don't know. You see all those? Look, right there?
They're coming out of the trees.
I know. Ah, they keep getting on me.
Huh?
They feel nasty.
I thought they were coming out of the ground, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what that looked like.
If that's termites, that's bad.
Right?
Come on, Angel, over here. Now,
Dude, these things are everywhere.
over here.
There's like thousands of them.
Back over there and lay down. Back. Go and lay down. No, not there. That's over here. Come on. Over here. Come on. Back over here. Come on. I know it's the shop. You like the shop. I know that. Come on.
She's not following you.
Hey! Hey! Get over here. Angel? Angel. Come on. Get your little happy little ass over here. Come on. Don't be counting down either. Don't need that shit either. Just do it right here. Stop.
You got in trouble, dude.
Sit down. Good girl. Now behave.
Stay.
Stay. I'll be back. Don't make me come back early either.
Oh, God, I love this.
So those are swallows
Yeah. Swallows that are
eating the termites?
Yep.
I see him. Well, I see one of them. Oh, he's going. The last time I had gas station food didn't turn out so good, but dude, look at this thing. What the hell is that? Supposedly this is pepperoni and sausage inside this bread, like a pizza, I guess, but should I smell this one before eating?